Radha Kund, Sham Kund, as the name suggests, were made by Radharani and Sham Sundar only. It is believed to be the eyes of Govardhan Parvat. ये स्टोरी राधा कृष्ण जी के नोकझोंक और पावर को दर्शाती है। कृष्ण भगवान जब गोकुल वृंदावन में थे तो उनके मामा कंस यूज्ड टू सेंड डिफरेंट डीमंस टू किल कृष्ण, एंड वन सच डीमन वाज अरिष्ठासुर. This demon came in the form of a bull to attack Krishna when he was playing with his friends. But on the contrary, he was killed by Krishna and Balram. ये डेमन को मारने के बाद जब कृष्ण राधा रानी से मिलने गए तो राधे ने उनसे मिलने से मना कर दिया और कहा वो उनसे नहीं खेलेंगी. She told him that he has killed a bull and cow and bull are supposed to be worshipped, so he should take bath in all the holy rivers like Ganga and wash his sins. Shri Krishna ने राधा रानी की बात मानी and he created a pond space with his heel. He then asked all the holy waters to come across from the world and fill the pond with their waters, so he could bathe in it and meet and play Radharani again. ये कुंड बनाने के बाद कृष्ण ने राधारानी और गोपियों से कहा कि उनके जैसा तो कोई ऐसा परफेक्ट काम कर ही नहीं सकता. That all holy rivers are in one pond. This felt like a challenge to Radharani, and she also decided to create an even bigger pond, having all of the holy rivers in it. राधा रानी ने शाम कुंड से भी बड़ा कुंड अपने हाथ के बैंगल से बनाया, but not a single drop of water came in it. On this, Shri Krishna signaled every holy river to assemble in Radha Kund. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, कृष्ण जी ने सबसे पहले राधा कुंड में स्नान किया. After that, he blessed that anyone who bathes in Radha Kund on the day of its appearance, called as Bahula Ashtami, will have their desires fulfilled and will always be blessed by Radha Krishna. So next time when you visit Vrindavan, do visit Radha Kund, Sham Kund. And don't forget to like and share this story with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't,